One of the biggest problems of divorce are the lawyers out there who don't care and would destroy your family for money. Try collaborative law. In a collaborative divorce, both of you have attorneys representing you, but they make a promise at the outset not to go to court. Why is that a good thing? First, it means that you're still in control of your case. It doesn't go before a judge who doesn't know you. And secondly, most importantly, you have an attorney that's fighting for your best interests. They want to help you settle, not drive up fees.